Good day mga kamatics! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about addition integers. So, addition of integers. From the word integers, so whole number siya. Hindi siya naka-fraction or naka-decimal, which is whole number. The addition of integers. So, the rule of the addition integers, same sign or like sign. Add and keep common sign. So, positive plus positive is equal to positive, which is keep the sign. Next, different sign and subtract, or different sign or unlike sign. So, kung negative plus positive, you need to subtract. Keep the sign of bigger of a number. So, bale, example, negative 5 plus 3. So, you need to subtract 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And keep the sign of the bigger number or the absolute value. So, ano ang pinakamalaking absolute value dun? Ang negative 5. So, ang negative 5, ang gagayahin natin na sign, which is negative. So, the answer of negative 5 plus 3, you need to subtract, absolute value is negative. The bigger of absolute value is negative 5, so the answer is negative 2. Okay, one ba? So, para makakuha nyo pa talaga, meron akong example dito. 3 plus 4. Same sign. So, 7. Hindi naman natin kailangan na put. Kung nakita nyo yung last video ko, hindi na natin kailangan lagyan pa ng plus. Kasi understandable naman yan na positive yan. Kuha ba? Next. Negative 6 plus 4. From the definition, different sign, subtract. Different sign sila. So, you need to subtract. 6 minus 4. Keep the sign of a bigger number or absolute value. Anong absolute value ang mas malaki? Negative 6 or positive 4? Okay, negative 6. So, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And the bigger absolute value is negative 6. So, negative 2. Ano ba? Next. Negative 3 plus negative 4. So, makikita nyo dito, nilagyan siya ng parenthesis. Kailangan talagang lagyan ng parenthesis para hindi tayo malito kung saan ba yung sign. Dahil meron sign dito, kung maglagay pa tayo ng negative dito, parang complicated na. So, kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng parenthesis. Open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Negative 3 plus negative 4. Same sign. Negative. So, you need to add negative 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 7. Ba? Last. 6 plus negative 4. Okay. Different sign. Kita nyo dito, different sign, subtract. 6 minus 4 na. Then, you need to subtract. 6 minus 4 is equal to, keep the sign of the bigger number. Sa dalawang integers na to, ano pinakamalaking absolute value? Absolute value is 6. So, positive to ang answer. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Dahil, ang absolute value niya ay, pinakamalaking absolute value is 6, which is the positive 6. Okay, next. Para mas mag-get you pa talaga, meron akong 5 examples dito. Okay? 3 plus 5. Different sign, so you need to subtract. The bigger absolute value is negative 5. So, 3. So, 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2. 3. Dahil you need to subtract na. Next. Negative 7 plus 3. You need to subtract. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Dahil siya ang pinakamalaking, may malaking absolute value. Negative 3 plus 2. Same sign. 3 plus 2, 5. And copy the same sign, which is the negative. Next. 4 plus negative 4 plus 3. So, para mas madali, kailangan mo natin i-add yung same sign. A plus 3 is equal to 11. Then, don't forget the addition sign, the addition operation. Then, you need to proceed to negative 4. 11 plus negative 4. So, kailangan natin siyang i-subtract. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. So, positive siya. Then, mas malaki ang absolute value of 11. Last, 2 plus negative 5 plus negative 3. Unahin muna natin yung merong same sign, which is the negative 5 and negative 3. Negative 5 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 8. Diba? Kaya pareho lang naman sila ng sign. Next, copy the 2, which is 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. So, you need to subtract according to the definition. So, 2 plus 8. So, pwede din natin siyang tawagin 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So, dalawang ito, ano pinakamalaging absolute value? Na negative 8. So, siya ang kakapihin natin na side, which is the negative 6. Kuha nyo ba? Kung nakuha nyo, yun lamang ang mga lesson nga turo ko ngayong araw. So, kung meron pa kayong gusto matutunan, please like and subscribe.